Okie doke, Mr. Hodges. I'm gonna explain what I did here. And I'm only doing this because I think it's pretty freaking cool that I took this thing apart and put it together. Anyway, this is the gun, this assemble, the barrel, stock, foregrip, and this is the trigger mechanism. This is where I almost cut my finger off. Ha! Okay, check this out. So, when you went to operate it, you turn this right here, right? It just spun. What it should have done is snap back. Well, what had happened was this little screw right here, it's probably about a 1/4 inch little screw, bolt, whatever you want to call it. It retains all this stuff. Well, it had fallen out. So when you turn this little piece right here, it just spun freely. Well, all these little springs here had fallen out too. Well, what I did was I shook it and I heard a screw in there. So I took it apart, put the screw back in. It took me about an hour to figure out where all the pieces went and lined up. But now, you see, when you turn it, it opens and comes back like it's supposed to. And then you have this right here is your spring for your hammer. And what you do, just to show you how it works, you pull it back, you hear that little click, and then it fires. And then when you want to see what you're doing when you're doing this, you're moving this whole piece, and it actually goes down into here and moves that down in there, which opens up the barrel. So anyway, I only know this because I just took it apart and played with it for about an hour, 2 hours. And anyway, if you ever want to know how it works, since it's yours now, you'll know. And just so you know, if you ever have this happen again, this right here, there's a bolt that holds it in, and the bolt actually goes in here, comes out right in here, and goes on the mechanism like so. So that's back together, and then you just put the bolt back in there and tighten it down, and then this, it all just snaps together. You just set it down in there, set it down in there like this, close it, right? And I'll put this bolt back in real quick. I do this on camera, but I'd have to reach over the camera, so alright, so prop this up a little bit. Alright, so now you got it. And this, I guess why you had to turn it 90 degrees is because the thing had fallen out, and for whatever reason it worked that one time. Maybe I should have tried it again, but anyway, slide this over, opens up, shut it back, and that's how it's supposed to go, just like that. So anyway, it's fixed, and I hope you enjoy it.